Let's revise trigonometry in 90-degree triangles. We always highlight and label the hypotenuse first. This is the side opposite the 90-degree angle and will also always be the longest side. We then label the adjacent and opposite sides. It's very important to know from which angle you are looking. If you're looking from angle A, CB will be opposite and AB will be adjacent. However, when you look from angle C, AB is opposite and CB is adjacent. Now we have to look at the meaning of SOHCAHTOA. The first letter indicates which trigonometry function. S for sine theta equals O for opposite, H for hypotenuse. C for cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. T for tan theta equals opposite over adjacent because there's an O and an A. We are now going to apply these three functions in one of the diagrams. Using your calculator, you are now going to enter the answer for sine A accurate to 1 decimal place. Then you answer tan C, once again accurate to 1 decimal place. We're now going to look at applications when we have a diagram with a missing side and we want to find the length of that side. The first step is to circle what we are looking for. Then we circle the information we do know. So we do know the side of 41 and the angle of 25 degrees. Now we label the hypotenuse, the opposite side from the angle that we do know, and the adjacent side. We look at X is opposite, 41 is hypotenuse. Because we've got opposite and hypotenuse, that tells us which trig function to use. And that's why we use sine theta, because sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Now we substitute the values that we've got. Theta is 25 degrees, the hypotenuse is 41. And then you've got a simple linear equation that you need to solve to find the value of x. So x is 41 times sine 25 degrees. Using your calculator, answer this to 1 decimal place. Make sure that the setting on your calculator is on degrees. We'll look more into this in class. Now we're going to look at the similar application where it's the angle that we don't know. Once again, we circle the unknown. Then we circle the things we do know. And now we decide, labeling hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent, we're going to decide which trig function to use. Because it's adjacent and hypotenuse that we do know, we're going to use the cosine function. Because cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Now we substitute the values that we do know. We don't know the size of theta, so we just substitute the pronumeral there. The adjacent side is 12, hypotenuse side is 20. Once again, we've got an equation to solve here. So the inverse of cos is cos minus 1, and you're going to use the inverse function on your calculator or shift cos 12 over 20, and you should get an answer and fill in the answer accurate to 2 decimal places.